So you heard about this health challenge and you're wondering what it's all about. Well, maybe you're looking to make some changes in 2015. Maybe you want to refocus on your health. Do you hope this will be the year to shed those pesky pounds? Do you have a reunion or family event coming up and you want to make a grand entrance with your amazing figure? Or maybe you don't need to lose weight at all, but you want to take better care of yourself by eating better, becoming more active, and getting fit. Are you looking to learn a better way to manage your stress? Or maybe you want to help someone you love by supporting them as they make healthy changes in their life. Whichever your goals are for the year, you probably know what you need to do. Things like having a plan and being mindful of your eating, drinking more water, exercising more regularly, finding a way to stay motivated, and finding support to stay accountable. So if you know what to do, why should you join the challenge? Did you know that nearly half of people that commit to changes similar to these give up by the end of the first month? If it's something they want, why do so many give up so quickly? It's because even though we see the value in the results, they often involve doing things we're not used to doing. Using willpower to do things we don't enjoy or that don't come naturally is exhausting. However, when something's fun, easy, and there's support, we sometimes start looking forward to it. So how do we take activities we've dreaded in the past and turn them into healthy habits? We make them fun. How do we make them fun? We take a proven system and turn it into an online game, complete with points, prizes, a personal coach, and a team of people to cheer you on. That's what the challenge is about, making it fun for you to achieve what you want. This is how it works. First, get in touch with the person that shared this video with you. They'll give you the link to register for their team. Next, submit your game fee. It costs about $23 to play the game. Then decide on your goal. This is a health challenge and not a weight loss challenge, so you can play whether you have weight to lose or not. You have two goal options to pick from. Either lose 6% of your body weight or maintain it within 1% over the 6 weeks of the challenge period. Next, commit to your plan. Although we have an amazing program that can help you, you're welcome to join the challenge whether you use our plan or not. Finally, work on winning. This is not a game where one person wins all. Everyone that plays can win. So how do you win? Simply achieve your chosen goal and earn enough points along the way. How do you earn points? By doing the things you already know will help you reach your goals. Things like sticking to your eating plan, whatever it is, drinking all your water, getting your physical activity in, filling your mind with positive thoughts to fuel your success, and seeking and providing support. What do you win? First, you win the satisfaction of achieving your goal, like thousands of others who have won in past challenges. Second, you win cash at the completion of the challenge. How much cash can you win? It depends on the amount of the pot and the number of players who win. In addition to winning as an individual, there will also be team prizes. The team with the highest average in participation points that meets certain criteria will earn a special prize. There will also be lots of other incentives and prizes along the way for doing things like earning points and keeping your health log. So if you'd like to win, this is what you do. First, invite all your family and friends to join. Not only will it earn you participation points when your friends join, it'll create a community of support to help everyone succeed. And it'll also increase the pot and therefore your potential earnings when the challenge ends. So who should you invite? In addition to inviting your family, invite your coworkers, your friends on Facebook and other social media, high school or college buddies, your neighbors, your friends at church, or whoever you work or play with. Another way to win more is to hold your teammates accountable to their goals. As they move towards achieving them, they'll earn points and increase your team's chances of winning. Are you ready to make this the year you stick to your resolutions? Whether you join us or not, 6 weeks will pass by. Will you be closer to your goals in 6 weeks? Join us and thousands of others and make it fun to answer yes.